Hello! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here on the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do, you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the option called heart rate. Now I'm gonna put the finger on the sensor of the watch and tap on the heart rate option to enable or rather open the widget. So let's tap on heart rate, and the watch should start detecting your heart rate automatically. So let's wait a couple of seconds. Here we have it. It will jump around a little because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. Also, for some reason, it has problems with grabbing the heart rate from the finger. But once the number stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. So if I change the fingers, for example, let's try this. Okay, here we have it. It's going down quite drastically. But it's around 57, 58, 60. So this is your current heart rate, apparently. You can also check the heart rate progression through the whole day right here on this graph. We have the hours and the heart rate level, and also you can swipe up on the screen to see the breakdown of your workouts. And you have the warm-up, burn, endurance, anaerobic, and limit. Okay, and once you're done measuring your heart rate, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.